So in May, I'll graduate with my high school diploma and my associate's degree as well.
Evergreen High School senior Oliver Eves has already completed nearly half of his college education before even receiving his high school diploma. Warren Tech's precision machining program allows students to earn college credits while still in high school.
The first year was a lot of normal manual machining, learning how all those machines work. And then the second year, we transitioned into the CNC machines, which almost all machining these days is all CNC.
Beyond technical skills, the program develops critical problem-solving abilities that transfer to any career path.
So like the really big thing that I learned in this class was the problem solving side of it, because you get handed out a blueprint and then it's basically you go find what metal you need, cut it up to size, but then it's your choice on how you flip it and orientate it to cut it. There's so many different ways you could do your part and it's all up to you.
And students apply abstract classroom concepts to tangible projects, making learning more relevant and engaging.
It was like actually applied of trigonometry and it actually made sense instead of just doing it on paper. I never really understood trigonometry that well until we learned about the sine bar and I was like, oh, it's a real thing, that's super cool.
Through industry partners, students work on real-world projects with major companies.
Early in the year, we started to do like a NASA project. We're machining these plates that go on the International Space Station. Right now, we're working on some ping putters that we've been designing and working on.
Very cool putters the students then took to Putter's Pride in Lakewood to try out. What's next for Oliver?
I'm planning on next year to go to Utah State for their outdoor product design, which machining will help a lot with that because they do rapid prototyping, which is a big thing machining can help with because you can just do it on the demand right there.
Since adding the associate's degree option in 2010, Warren Tech's precision machining program has helped dozens of students save more than $450,000 in college tuition.
I get to jump right into the fun stuff, like you just get a really big head start.